So what we have right here is a implementation of Promise.All. So we have a few functions here. We have fetch user, fetch posts, fetch comments. So we're going to create a promise and the parameter is going to be resolved, obviously. So we're going to have a set timeout, and then after, like, for example, this fetch user, after 1000 milliseconds or 1 second, this data is going to be resolved, or this object right here. So we have a few promises right here, and then our Promise.All implementation right over here. We use Promise.All to wait for all three promises. So as you can see, Promise.All, fetch user, fetch posts, and fetch comments. And right here, what we have is array structuring. Right here, we have some console.logs, and then we have, what do you call it? We're going to catch any errors. And the thing is, if one of these doesn't resolve, then this whole operation will not work. So all this data has to resolve. You can't have any errors at all. So output order. So starting data fetches, wait for 2 seconds, the longest promise. All data fetched successfully. The console.logs of the data. In this example, Promise.All starts all three promises concurrently. So it's concurrently, all at the same time. It's not one after the other. It's concurrently. It waits for the longest promise, fetch comments, 2000 milliseconds to complete, and then we have a .then block. And then right here, there's a rejection example as well. So this is just something, I was just kind of studying some stuff, some Promise.All. Key takeaways: concurrency. Promise.All executes the promises in parallel, which can significantly reduce the total execution time compared to waiting promises sequentially. All or nothing. It is best used when you need all results to proceed. If one fails, the entire operation fails. Order preservation. The array of results is always in the same order as the input promises, regardless of the time each one took to resolve. And of course, there's also alternative methods like Promise.All settled, Promise.race, and Promise.any. So there you go.